Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new here. If you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below so you can join my channel. Anyways, today's video we're in my car because we're on the way to the grocery store. We're going to the grocery store today because I'm going to show you guys how I make my sushi at home. I get so many people, like my friends, my family, they're all like, how do you do that? And it's actually not that hard, fairly simple. Me and my boyfriend make it all the time. So today I'm going to show you guys how to. So if you're a sushi lover and you want to know how to make sushi, keep watching the rest of this video to see how you can do it at home. And honestly, it's relatively affordable. It's probably things you already have at home. I head to the grocery store and bring you guys along with me. Let me get buckled up. It is so hot outside, so I turned the air conditioner down a little bit, so if you can hear it still a little bit, I apologize, but I couldn't turn it off because it was so hot. It's actually 104 degrees according to my Jeep, so yeah, welcome to Texas. I have to run a few errands first, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. Let me get to driving and I will pick you guys up when I get to where I'm going. Alright, I'm back. I wanted to go to Starbucks before I went to the grocery store, so I went to the Starbucks in Target. This is the new like cinnamon almond milk cold foam cold brew. I'll mix it up. I feel like I might not like this, but I really wanted to try it. Taste test on camera. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna stir it up just because I want the cold foam to like mix in. That's pretty good. Let's go to the grocery store. You could come with me. I'm so excited. This Starbucks that I always go to over here, I've noticed that it's been closed. So when I went into the Target one, I was like, do y'all know why the other one's not open? The girl was like, we're not allowed to talk about it, but we don't really know. And I'm sitting here like, I think you know? Because you said you can't talk about it? I don't know, it makes me think. Maybe someone in there got the COVID. I'm not really sure in that case. I just got to the grocery store, so we're gonna go in. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm at the grocery store. I don't know if you can hear me because I have my mask on, but yeah, we're doing all the shopping. I'm getting more stuff than I was supposed to get. Okay, I was trying to go down an aisle, but there's not many people down, so I can talk to you guys. But yes, I got most of my stuff. It's a quick trip. I don't have anything else to get. I'm about to check out, so yeah. Time to get this mask off. Oh gosh, it's so hot. Is someone honking at me? Oh, they're honking at me. This lady dropped her toilet paper out of her cart and someone was honking at her. That's nice. I'm back in my car. It's 2 o'clock right now. I think I'm gonna put my hair up and I'm gonna roll the windows down and jam on my way home. Let's head home. Go home, go see my mom and make some sushi. Let's go, girls. Or guys. Who's ever watching this? It is many hours later. It is now 4:26 in the afternoon and I'm gonna be making this sushi for dinner for my family, so I figured let's do it right now. So I'm gonna go to my notes tab, everything to do the at-home sushi, just so I can remind myself so I don't forget anything. Okay, starting off to make the sushi, let's talk about the items you need. One thing you're gonna need is, I have no idea what you call this because it's not in English. I think I looked on Amazon, bamboo sushi mat. I'll link it down below if I can find it for you guys. I think like $7 or something. And it's reusable, so I just keep it in this little plastic bag. Item number 2, plastic wrap. This is just like regular plastic wrap. Next, you're gonna need a sharp knife. It needs to be a smooth edge knife, not like a serrated knife. And then you're gonna need a bowl of like warm water. You will see why in the demonstration. Now that I've talked about the items that you're gonna need to do this, I'm gonna talk about the ingredients. What I use for my sushi rolls at home is kind of a California roll, a little spin on a California roll. So number one thing you're going to need is sushi rice. I don't really know if any other rice will work, but this is my favorite. Get it in the international food section. Then you also need crab legs. This is what I use. It's like an imitation leg style. The leg style is the best because it's in like strips. It's easy to put in the sushi. Another thing you're definitely gonna need is the seaweed. So this is the polar roasted seaweed. You can find this in the international food section. Same place you can find the rice. I use an avocado, a cucumber. Now, I like to add some things to my rolls that aren't necessarily California style. That's cream cheese. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna put jalapenos in it. These are my 2 favorite things to put on top of the sushi. The first is sriracha mayo. This is the one I buy. Like I said, you can get this at the grocery store. And then hoisin sauce, which is like the brown sauce that they put on sushi sometimes. I just drizzle these over the top. This is my absolute favorite. Those are all the ingredients that you're going to need. Let's get into the actual steps of making the sushi. But now that we're in my kitchen, let's start with step number 1. You're gonna wanna boil your rice. Prepare it according to the directions on the bag. Basically fill up your pot with some water, throw the rice in, cook it, and all that jazz. Step number 2, I like to cut up all of my vegetables and ingredients that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna cut up the cucumber, the avocado, the crab. Step number 3, you wanna get your bamboo sushi mat, and you're going to wrap the mat in the plastic wrap. Step number 4, you want to measure your seaweed sheets. Take off the top 2 like perforated sections, if that makes any sense. I'll explain that to you in the demonstration, obviously, so you can see it for yourself. So then you'll take your rice, use a spoon or your hands or whatever. Make sure you clean your hands. I forgot to say that. Before you do all this, clean your hands. I feel like that's self-explanatory, but I just want to put a disclaimer. Make sure you clean your hands because you're going to be using your hands for this. How many times can I see your hands? You're gonna take the rice and kind of spread it across the seaweed. To apply the rice, you're gonna use the gritty side of the seaweed, and this is where the hot water comes into play. So you're gonna dip your fingertips in the hot water, and you'll see that it lets the rice like perfectly spread out without sticking to your hands. Like I said, you will see it in the demonstration I'm gonna show you guys. Step 5, you're going to want to flip the rice over so that you can put your fillings on the inside. So now I'll show you how I lay it all in. I usually don't really do it in any kind of way or order or anything like that. I just kind of fill it up along a line. And now I will show you how I roll the sushi. I roll the sushi like this. I kind of take the edge and roll it over to cover everything. Once you've rolled your sushi, you want to keep tightening it, and this is where the plastic wrap and the bamboo mat come into place. It really helps you get like a firm grip on the sushi and keep it very tight and compact. You have your sushi roll made and it is all together and assembled. Place it in the refrigerator so that it can cool a little bit and the rice can harden together. 10 or 15 minutes or so, that's probably good. You can remove the sushi from your refrigerator and begin slicing the sushi roll. You need the hot water again and your sharp knife, the smooth knife, not serrated edges, like I mentioned before. Dip your knife into the warm water so that the rice will not stick. And I basically cut mine in half. So I'll cut the sushi roll in half, and then cut that half in half, cut that half in half again. It'll make more sense after I show you the demonstration. The trick is definitely the warm water and the sharp knife. I learned all this from watching YouTube videos. The final step of this is to top your sushi with whatever you would like. That's pretty much it on my demonstration on how to make my sushi at home. Alright guys, that's the end of my how I make sushi video. So this is how my sushi turned out. I really don't want it to fall off the plate. But yeah, that's how my sushi turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please try out this sushi recipe. Let me know how it goes. Message me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen. Comment down below if you try it out. And send me some pictures. I think it's really cool. You could try a bunch of different things. You could put shrimp in it, fried shrimp, tuna, salmon, anything like that. My family just likes crabs, so that's what we do. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Comment this emoji down below, because I love to see who watches till the end of my videos. Before you leave this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below so you can join my channel. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you never miss one of my videos. So I hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I really don't want it to fall off the plate. I really don't want it to fall off the plate.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
I have to put that in the end of this video. I can't believe I got that on camera. I just spilt the whole thing on the ground. Typical Kaelee. I'll see you next time, guys.